Let's bring in Tim from Delta Derivatives. Tim, I know you've got your eyes on the stock. As Alex points out, it's one that always manages to retain volatility in quiet times, in peaceful times, and in the middle of chaos. How do you look at it as an options trader yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm looking to basically, pre-position to be a seller on a further rally higher. This stock is obviously ripped higher with the rest of the overall market. I mean, today the market's partying like it's 1999, and I think we're seeing similarities there with, interest rates virtually at zero. In 1999, it was because of Y2K, here because of COVID. So if the problems ebb, I think, we'll see that free money enter the market. We're seeing it enter the market as we speak today. But I wouldn't mind being a seller on a further rally here. So I'm positioning up around technical resistance at 120, as Alex alluded to, using that implied volatility that's still rather high here to position to be a seller on a further up move here. Kind of indifferent at Roku at these levels, rich on a valuation basis, certainly, over 10 times price to sales now. Year over year subscriber growth, active user growth up 37%, but the stock's basically doubled in that time frame. So getting kind of rich on that level, but money is cheap and they're attacking these high beta names today. So wouldn't mind being a seller at higher levels, stay away at current levels.
Okay, so seller at higher levels. Walk me through how to structure this right now. I mean, does that mean you're using a premium to collect right now? You don't want to own volatility. You don't want to own options, Tim?
Yeah, exactly right. Going out to the May monthlies, kind of using that, high IV on the overall market because of, earnings. So selling the 120 calls, which is right at that kind of gap resistance on Roku, hedging by buying the 125 calls, getting about $1.50 net credit on that. So kind of like that over 40% return on risk here. Got over a 10% upside cushion here. And kind of like the price action on the stock, they tried to, goose it higher in the open. It kind of met with some selling here. So I think the rally in Roku may be stalling out here. And again, I don't mind being a seller of Roku and pretty much the overall market, especially the high beta names, on a further rally higher. I think they're getting out over their skis here. Guys are playing catch up who missed, buying at lower levels by jumping into the higher beta names to get position in the market. So I think at some point that will come to a halt here. I don't think, obviously, earnings or the economy is going to return to what it was anytime soon. That's kind of tempered with cheap money. So I think we're kind of entering a trading range here eventually, back and forth. So selling vol on both sides, I think, is the way to play it.
All right, Tim, appreciate the update here on the trading front for Roku. Neutral, a little bit bearish, selling the call spread. Tim Biggam from Delta Derivatives, our own Alex Coffee as well, setting up the fundamentals. Appreciate it, guys. Roku shares higher today. The whole market is as well.